You guys asked for it. Here is the 1-inch Shag Rug test for the robotic vacuums. I suspect that these robotic vacuums will struggle on this test, so I'm just going to sprinkle some Pringles down. I'm not going to make this test too hard to clean. I'm just wanting to see how well these vacuums can maneuver on this 1-inch Shag Rug. Let's start with the Roomba S9. This is the most expensive vacuum I have owned. It's $999 just for the vacuum alone. The thing that the vacuum has going for it is the highest airflow at 22 CFM. Roomba S9, it's time to wake up and vacuum, please. I'll try shaking a little bit, see if I can get it to wake up. Come on, wake up. I need you to clean the Shag Rug, please. Fine, I'll just carry you over there, no problem. Sorry, thought you were built well. So the high profile carpet is about... Hey Roomba S9, that wasn't very nice. Let's keep this YouTube channel G-rated, please. So none of the robotic vacuums could transition over onto this high profile carpet because the threshold is about 1 inch. So I decided just to place the robots on the carpet and just see how well it can maneuver and clean. You gotta have faith in yourself, Roomba S9. Looks like you're doing well. Hey, there's no cussing allowed on my YouTube channel. Wow, you can do that, Roomba S9? That's cool. What's the fun in that? I like to see you struggle. No, I want to show the YouTube viewers if you're capable of getting yourself unstuck. Apparently your new software update makes you more persistent. So whenever you get an error, it's indicated by the red ring on the vacuum. I like that the app gives you a very easy to read diagnostic, and on some of them you can just click on a help guide. Okay, so I go ahead and set the zone for the 360 S6. This is a Chinese robotic vacuum for about $330 you can get on GearBest. I think it's one of my favorite robotic vacuums. It's very reliable, and even though the suction is not as high as other vacuums in its price range, I think it does a decent job. Hello 360, how are you doing today? Yes, my day is going very well. Thanks for asking. No thank you 360, but thanks for the offer. So I physically moved the robot vacuum while filming, so since the robot doesn't know its location, it has to figure out where it's at. It's on the same map floor plan, just has to reposition itself. This process takes about a minute. So I had this 360 S6 for about a year now, and the reason it's one of my favorite robotic vacuums is because there's very little bugs to it. The product just works. You tell it to go somewhere, it cleans and returns to its docks and station, no problem. So here I decided to help the robotic vacuum out because none of my robotic vacuums can transition to this Shag Rug. So just observing the 360 S6 on this Shag Rug, it looks like it's been able to move quicker with less of a struggle. And right here it's able to rotate with no problems. I think it's due to the front wheel caster. On the Roomba S9, it kind of is nose heavy, so it will drag its extractors along the ground, where the 360 S6 has wheels on the bottom, which help it navigate. Okay guys, stop fighting. We need to keep this YouTube channel professional. Thank you. Okay 360, that's enough. We have to not bash iRobot's Roomba S9. They are at least trying. Despite the S5 having trouble seeing the chair legs, it navigates pretty well around them. Yeah, he's not too happy about it. Just trying to help you get onto this Shag Rug. Stop fighting me. I apologize, these robots been vacuuming a long time and they kind of develop an attitude. Looks like you're moving fine. I don't see what the problem is. Okay guys, knock it off.
Error 6. Remove and clean the side brushes.
Okay, let me go ahead and try the remote and drive it manually.